Arboleda scoreless in the game.
Also picked up a flagrant foul back in the first half. Here comes Eric Beck, JJ Helperbrand, our MyPhone Dual Life player. Hatid sa inyo ng MyPhone 2 SIMs, one phone. Basketball star, product endorser, and now cheerleader. Biggest cheerleader in Ginebra side.
2 misses. You know, Air 21. That's 3 straight misses from the free throw line.
Here's Bacana. Alexander. There's a foul. We saw somebody hit Alexander on the face.
And what Barangay Ginebra has been doing well is that they have been able to attack the defense of Air 21. They have been able to get near the ring, and when you penetrate, good things happen. Nakita natin si Chris Bacana, pagkatapos siya mag-penetrate, drop off para kay Chris Alexander, and Chris Alexander gets the free throw.
Gary David comes in para palitan si Nino Candeleta, who picked up his second personal foul.
Yeah, you like that substitution because you're going to make Mark Tagiwa play defense on either Gary David or Arwin Santos, and then you're going to really test itong help ni Mark Tagiwa.
4.5 remaining bago matapos ang third period. Here's Arboleda, so far been unproductive tonight. Nasa kay Stephen Thomas. Gary David, that's a push against Kagiwa. That's a good call. It happened right in front of Jess Ferrer. Kita-kita yun. Jess Ferrer.
He got that call because he lost Gary David. He thought Gary David was going to go to the opposite way. Pagbalik niya, nakatalo na si Gary David, and Gary David got undercut a little. Referee forced to call that foul.
Anyway, penalty na ang Ginebra with 2:23 remaining in the third quarter. Air 21 with a foul to give. See a glimpse of the Ubi Republic inside the Big Dome. Points para kay Gary David off the bench for the Express.
And of course, the Ubi Republic has only Nico Halili to thank for calling them such.
Meantime, here's Valenzuela. No look pass. Turnover. Junti is hurt. Junti Valenzuela is hurt. And he's holding on to his left knee na sa ngayon nga ay balot na balot, no? Itong kaliwang tuhod ni Junti Valenzuela. Now there is an air of concern ay biglang tumahimik ang Barangay Big Dome.
Well, I just saw Alan Kaibig putting on his Barangay Ginebra uniform. I mean, everyone in Barangay Ginebra has been getting injured, banged up in this series. You talk about the color violet at black and blue. Ito ng Barangay Ginebra, sa dami ng na-injured sa kanila.
Time out muna tayo. 2:10 remaining. 7-point lead for Ginebra.